Guys, welcome back. So today we'll see how we can do the nesting of components. So I'll create a parent component and I'll create a child component, and we'll see how we can nest them one inside another. So let me create it. I'll create it under the app folder of Hello World app. So let me go to src app. Sorry, yeah. In generate component parent component. Now the parent component has been created. We'll create the child component. So we'll create the child component inside the parent component. So we'll say cd parent component and say nggc child component. Yeah. So parent component is inside app folder and child component is inside parent component. I'll show you the structure over here on the left. So we have created parent component, and inside parent component we have the files related to parent, source files related to parent, and we have child component within the parent component, and we have the files related to the child component. So first we'll edit the parent component ts file. So we can say parent title inside parent component. I'm giving a title string saying inside parent component inside the parent component ts file, and inside the child component I'll say child title. I'll keep it simple so that you can understand. Inside the child component. So now we'll display it dynamically, like parent say parent title, and we'll give the css for it in the parent. For h1 say color red, and for the child component we'll display yeah, and css will be color, let's say green. Okay, the next thing we have to do is register these components in app.module.ts. So we'll register the parent component in app.module.ts. Oh, it's already been registered. You can see the parent component is already been registered, and also the child component is also registered. And the last thing we have to do is we need to add the parent component inside app component. So in the HTML we'll include the selector of the parent component, app parent component, in app component HTML. So now the parent is being displayed inside the app component. Now we have to make the child to display to we need to add the child to the parent component. So in the parent HTML I'm gonna add the child. So now it's done. Let us build this project. Let us say cd ng build. So now it's like we have app, inside app we have a parent, and inside parent we have child. It's just like this, app parent and child. Yeah, let us wait for the build to complete. Now we have built the project. We'll run ngserve. Yeah, so you can see our app is running. This is from the app component. In the app component we have hello world app, and inside app we have included our parent component. So inside app.html we have included the selector of the parent component, and inside parent component HTML we have included the child component. So this is how we nest the components, one inside other. Let me show you. So inside app component HTML we have included the parent component selector tag, and inside child component, sorry, inside parent component HTML we have the child component. So it's like nesting the components, and this is the output. Let me show you by inspecting the browser. So inside body you can see you have approot, and inside approot you see parent component. Inside parent component you have the child component, and you can also see the content inside app, parent and child as well, and see this. Just observe the structure of how the components has been nested. So that is it. Thank you.